Hello, everyone. My name is Aaron Parker, and go ahead, babe.
Oh, and my name is, when we say B or Beatrice.
You can say Beatrice.
Okay, Beatrice Parker.
hmm And my wife, she is the founder and artistic director of Southern Enterprise School of Arts, and my baby been doing this for a long time. And the purpose of this episode or this podcast is just to tell those who don't or talk to those who don't know a lot about our school. So we just want to just tell you, some of the things that we have to offer, right, babe?
Yep.
And so, but my wife, she teaches interpretive dance and ballet, right? And we're in this one studio where we do podcasting and a lot of other things. But the big studio that's next door, it's like 3 times the size as this one. Look at it about, um, I wouldn't say a gymnasium, about the size of a Olympic-sized swimming pool. Not an Olympic-sized swimming pool, about the size of a normal swimming pool. That's how, or half of a gym, basketball gym. That's the size of our studio next door. I say like that.
Yeah.
And it's real nice. And B, she teaches ballet and tap and interpretive dance and everything. Do you want to tell them about your approach, how you teach and everything, baby?
Yeah. So one thing I try to do is start off with basics. Just basics, the basic ballet, basic everything basic, so a person can feel like as they grow, you can see their achievements. I don't like to set things too high for them. So.
How many ballet bars we have? Let me put that. Yeah.
So we have ballet bars.
Yeah, I think we got about 3 or 4 ballet bars because you use those, right?
Yep, and they were donated to me, and so we do use them, and which is good. So that's good for leg extensions, practicing leg extensions, which the girls have gotten really good with it now. Up on your toes, reblés, and turns and stuff like that. Yeah.
And those, and then what are the 3 basic positions that you take them through and everything?
Yeah, the positions is first position, second position, third position, fourth position, and then I made up one butterfly.
Butterfly, yeah, they love that.
They like that.
And we have, and then we have the, what is those things called that you walk on? We got about 3 of them. Balancing beams.
Balancing beams.
Yeah. So we got balancing beams, and that's just to teach them posture, stuff like that. How to walk, and keep your posture and everything. So we do those.
And the good thing about the balancing beam, we could adjust it to go, high in length or low,
real low to the floor.
Low to the floor. And the dancers, they love that. They love the challenge of going on the balancing beam. But it's really good because it helps with leg extensions and everything.
Yep. And so the next couple of minutes we're going to talk about clothing and attire and all that good stuff.